if you know me, then, which you don't know me, but you know, now I've just made it awkward. Anyway, if you did know me, then you would know there's a lot of no's going on. I love plants and I like Minecraft. I like a lot of different things. Anyway, I thought today we're going to combine the two, and I was recently given 5 glass jars from my grandparents, and what better way than to make terrariums out of them? And hold up, terrariums? Am I hearing Minecraft biomes? That's crazy. That is absolutely wild. What is going on in that big head of yours? Thank you. I'm so smart. We're going to do the cherry blossom biome. Now, as you know, that the cherry blossom biome is very pink. Our colour palette, pink. There you go. Facts. So we're thinking pink trees, but grassy bottom. Fuck. But I'm kind of just gonna really be branching into just pink. It needs to be pink madness, almost. There's not really a lot going on in the blossom biome. I think the trees are just the main selling point. So I think as long as it's pink, we're fine. I feel like I should have some stairs, and I'm even thinking maybe some sort of river element as well. Now, I've never done that in a terrarium before. I'm not even that well versed in terrariums, but I'm thinking to maybe amp it up a little bit, make it more exciting. This is the kind of vibe that we're going for. Why am I trying to make, like, fucking gardening some sort of mathematical, literate poetry? What the fuck did I even say? The main sort of plants that you want to be having in terrariums, I mean, I suppose you can put anything in there, but the main sort of plants I'm probably going to be going for are more Phottonias, Peperomias, Begonias, Tradescantia, that sort of thing. And they all work together in this terrarium. Like, the main thing that you don't want in terrariums is to have like a cactus that doesn't really need watering for a while, and then you have like a fucking like pothos or something which needs watering weekly. They're not going to be interacting the way that you want to in this terrarium. That is one of the big things in terrariums, is you just make sure you know the planting needs of your plants. The plant needs to be planted and the plants needs to be planting. Now, I don't know what I can really add to this to make it cool. What do you associate with a cherry blossom biome? The fucking trees. That's it. Maybe we should include the sniffer. I've never actually seen him in person. He's really cute, actually. So really, I've just made this fucking Word document for nothing. But I mean, at least you can see Word on paper. If you don't like listening to someone, I mean, just listen. I've got no face, alright? I'm giving you a visual. The main gist of this is pink, and I'm thinking I do want to find some, like, maybe flat rocks, just to make a little bit of more of a visual scene going on. I could do a beehive. I'm not gonna make a fucking tree to stick it on though, that's the thing, and I can't fucking, can I? Okay, now we're gonna make it. To the salon! What's up? That's my hand. This is what we're gonna be using today. I thought it'd be nice saying out. Charcoal, rocks! Lacquer, and sand, really. And this is the lovely jar that we're using. Alright. Let's get going. Okay. I don't know if this is going to be a particularly interesting video to watch. It's kind of like if your hyperfixations turn into other hyperfixations. Here you go, really. Oh, I'm clearly happy about that. I'm adding the charcoal in at the first step. Oh, lacquer, obviously. Oh, come on, drainage. Charcoal, so it doesn't really mould. I don't really know if I want to make this into an aesthetic video. I'm kind of just touching up sand here. And you will notice as I go along that I'm actually just not happy with the sand, because we're going for a cherry blossom biome, and I had stated previously pink madness. Yeah, no, I later changed that. Give her a little spin there like the princess she is. Call it cherry blossom chivalry. Then we are going in with that soil, that good. What am I on about? I do apologise for if you prefer seeing straight lines in terrariums. I'm not very straight with this. I just suck at that. If anything, it'd probably do me better if I was to attempt to create like a wave, and then at least it would look good. Oh, there's a plant. Boom. This is a Fittonia. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh, she's pink. Ooh, it's time for the moss. This is sphagnum moss, if you don't know. It's looking kind of funky, you know, fancy. And I was originally going to leave it like that, but I went outside and I got greener grass. Oh wait, you know how this, I don't like it? Boom. Look at that transition. But it looks better now. It looks way better. Now to give it the final touches and we'll see if this whole video has been worth it. Tia. As you can see, I've only gone and DIY'd some little bees and a little jewelry pieces and just hung them. It's kind of morbid. Anyway, I've added some honey on the lid because, and it is still drying. I got impatient. I just wanted to film it. Anyway,